The next component of a theme that we're going to adjust is color schemes. Now, every theme has its own set of colors that are used for text and graphics and backgrounds and accents and so on. Well, when we select a theme, we're also selecting a color scheme that goes with that theme. But if we want, we can maintain the theme while changing the color scheme. That's what we're going to do next. Before we do, though, if you're jumping to this lesson, you'll want to open up another presentation. So we'll go to the Office button, click Open. And you'll open up in the Lesson 4 folder of your exercise files this one, ECP4E. Give it a click before clicking Open, and that'll get you caught up to where we are here if you've been following along throughout the various lessons. Alright, I'm going to slide number 2 again because I do have text and graphics. So when I start choosing different color schemes, we'll see the effects using that live preview on this current slide here. So we go up to Colors. We click the drop down, and you can see that we've got a number of built-in color schemes that are all named the same as our themes. So our urban one down here is the color scheme that goes best with the urban theme. Now as we hover over them, you can see that our background is still a gradient, so that's not affected, but the color is. So as we hover over these color schemes, we do get a live preview, and I kind of like this one here called Oriel. So let's give that one a click to apply the new color scheme. And it's applied to every slide in our presentation. So we're still using the urban theme. We still have a gradient background, but a different set of colors. Now the neat thing is in PowerPoint 2007 is you can create your own color schemes as well. So if we go up to Colors here, and all the way down to Create New Theme Colors, give that a click, you can see the various theme colors that are used for text backgrounds, accents, hyperlinks, and hyperlinks that have been followed. So we can adjust all of these, and as we do, and I'm going to change the text background from dark 1 to something a little lighter, you can see the sample is going to give us a preview of that. Our background text for light is white. I'm going to choose yellow, and I'm going to choose a darker background here for our text background, our third one down here, to something darker. So you can see the adjustments that are happening here in the sample. The point is, once we've made all of our selections, we've got the colors we want, we can come down here and give it a name, such as Dave's Colors. And when I do that and click the Save button, not only is the color scheme applied to my presentation, but it's also an option now if I go back up to Colors, one that I can select for future presentations right here. But let's go back down to Oriel. That's the one we want to actually select here for this particular lesson. And now you know all about color schemes. So with this color scheme applied, the next thing we're going to look at in the next lesson is font schemes.